Welcome, students. In this video, we'll be talking about a balloon being inflated, related rates, exercise in calculus. So the problem says that a balloon is being inflated and its volume is increasing at a rate of 150 cubic centimeters per minute. So let's say we have the formula of a sphere, which is of the volume of the sphere. So it's going to be 4/3 pi r cube. And it says that, and the problem says that the volume is increasing at a rate of 150 cubic centimeters per minute. That means that dV dt is equal to 150 centimeters cube. And now it says at the moment when the radius of the balloon is 5 centimeters, so the radius, the interest radius that we're looking for is 5 centimeters. So it says how fast is the radius increasing when r equals 5 centimeters. So what are we trying to find? We're trying to find dr dt. That's our main goal. And we have a volume formula, so maybe we can work with that. So what I suggest is solving this exercise, we do implicit differentiation. So we're going to take dv dt is equal to 4/3 pi times 2r squared. And because we're taking the derivative of the inside formula for r, so we do dr times the chain rule dr dt. So this is here chain rule. And now we can plug in. You don't plug in the radius 5 centimeters and 150 here. You plug it in after taking the derivative. So now we can put everything together. So it's gonna be dv dt. We said it was 150. So we're gonna put 150 equals. Now, I'm sorry, this was a 3 here, so this should be 3. So this 3 cancels with this. So that will be 4 pi, and then the radius is gonna be equal to it's gonna be equal to 5 squared times dr dt. Now it says 150 equals 25. 5 squared is 25 times 4. That's gonna be 100 pi times dr dt. Now we solve for dr dt. So dr dt is gonna be equal to 150 over 100 pi. And of course, we can simplify a little more. So this will be, so that's gonna be equal to, we can take out 1 0, we're left with 15 over 10 pi, and that's, we'll divide by 5 again. That will be 3 over 2 pi. 3 over 2 pi. So let's put it in different color. So that will be our answer, 3 over 2 pi. So notice the important things here is that we need a formula for what we're looking for. We need to find the related rates. So that is done using derivatives. And then we need to plug in givens after taking the derivative. Notice in this exercise, we didn't have any constraint equation, so we don't need it. We didn't need it this time. Sometimes you have to. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.